Welcome to your 1-month weight loss journey. Are you looking to shed a few pounds, feel stronger, and gain more confidence in your own skin? You're in the right place. Losing weight in a month is not just about diets and workouts, it's about creating habits that last. In today's video, I'll share a complete step-by-step guide to help you lose weight in a healthy, effective, and sustainable way. So grab a notebook, sit back, and get ready to transform your lifestyle. 1. Setting realistic goals, the key to success. Before we dive into the action steps, let's talk about setting goals. Why is this so important? Because goals give you a clear direction and keep you focused. But here's the thing, your goals should be realistic and achievable. Experts recommend aiming to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week. That's around 4-8 pounds in a month. And trust me, that's a significant change. Setting unrealistic expectations, like dropping 20 pounds in a month, can lead to disappointment and even harm your health. Instead, focus on progress, not perfection. Every little win matters. Remember, this journey is about feeling better, healthier, and stronger, not just about the number on the scale. 2. Create a calorie deficit without starving. Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of weight loss: creating a calorie deficit. Simply put, this means burning more calories than you consume. But let me be clear, this doesn't mean starving yourself or skipping meals. In fact, that's counterproductive. Start by figuring out your daily calorie needs. You can use online calculators or apps to determine your total daily energy expenditure, or TDEE. To lose weight, aim to reduce your intake by 500-750 calories a day. This small adjustment can lead to consistent, healthy weight loss. Portion control is key here. For example, swap large portions of calorie-dense foods for more nutrient-packed options, like vegetables or lean proteins. Small changes add up over time. 3. The power of a balanced diet. Let's dive into what you should eat. A balanced diet is your secret weapon for feeling full, energized, and satisfied while losing weight. Think of your plate as a balance wheel. Fill half with colorful vegetables, a quarter with lean proteins like chicken, fish, tofu, or eggs, and the last quarter with whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or sweet potatoes. Don't forget healthy fats. Avocado, olive oil, and nuts are great options. And of course, stay hydrated. Drinking water helps curb hunger, aids digestion, and keeps your energy levels up. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and more if you're active. 4. Meal planning, your game changer. Meal planning is a total game changer for weight loss. Why? Because when you have healthy options ready to go, you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks or fast food. Start by planning your meals for the week. Choose simple, nutritious recipes that you enjoy. Then, dedicate a couple of hours to meal prepping. This could mean roasting veggies, grilling chicken, or making overnight oats. Having your meals ready saves time, reduces stress, and keeps you on track, even on your busiest days. 5. Exercise. Find what works for you. Moving your body is essential for burning calories, boosting your metabolism, and feeling amazing. But here's the trick. Find an activity you enjoy. When you enjoy it, it won't feel like a chore. Start small. If you're new to exercise, a 10-15-minute walk is a great place to begin. As you build stamina, try activities like jogging, swimming, or dancing. Don't forget strength training. Building muscle helps you burn calories more efficiently and gives you that toned, strong look. If you're short on time, try high-intensity interval training or HIIT for maximum impact in just 20-30 minutes. 6. Build habits that support your goals. Healthy habits are the glue that holds everything together. It's not just about eating and exercising, it's about your overall lifestyle. Start by prioritizing sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night to support recovery and reduce cravings. And manage stress, because when we're stressed, we tend to overeat. Try mindfulness, meditation, or even a relaxing walk in nature. 7. Track your progress and stay motivated. Tracking your progress is crucial for staying motivated. But remember, progress isn't just about the scale. Take measurements, progress photos, or track how your clothes fit. These non-scale victories can be even more rewarding. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Progress is progress, and you're doing amazing. 8. Overcome challenges like a pro. There will be obstacles, plateaus, cravings, or days when you feel unmotivated. But don't let these moments derail you. Instead, use them as opportunities to adjust and refocus. Feeling hungry? Choose high-fiber, low-calorie snacks to keep you full. Hit a plateau? Switch up your workouts or adjust your calorie intake slightly. You've got this. 9. Celebrate and maintain your progress. Once you've reached your goal, it's time to celebrate, but also to maintain your results. Gradually increase your calorie intake to find your maintenance level and keep up with those healthy habits. Stay active, try new activities, and continue to monitor your progress. Remember, this isn't just about weight. It's about building a life you love. You're stronger, healthier, and more confident than you were a month ago. That's incredible. Remember, this is your journey, so keep moving forward. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.